Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to another brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide YouTube subscribers on from your channels. Okay, so let's get started. First, I will show you. Here is it. I'm gonna refresh it, and you will see it is on the screen. So after that, just log in your channel and click this profile and click on YouTube Studio. After that, wait for a few seconds and then just click on settings, bottom left corner. Just click on it and click channel, click advanced setting, scroll down, and you will see here subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Uncheck it, click save. Okay, now I will refresh this page again. Now you guys can see it's gone. Now nobody can see your YouTube subscribers. If this video is helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.